I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare both the devices Realme X and the Redmi K20 Pro. So a lot of viewers are asking me which phone to buy in between the Redmi K20 and Realme X. But right now, I'm using in this video Redmi K20 Pro version. The only difference between the K20 and Pro is that processor and the fast charging which has got in the Pro, not in the normal K20, which supports 18 watts and which Pro supports 27 watts. So apart from that, everything is same to same. So that's why I'm gonna explain you in detail in this video which phone to choose and what are the reasons for that, what to choose. Because a lot of users are asking me to do a video on that, which is best, Realme X or the Redmi K20. So for the time being, just consider right now the K Pro as a normal K20 device. So apart from processor, everything will be the same as it is with the K20 as well. So first I'll be talking about the battery, which is better and how is the charging test. So in the K20 has 4000 mAh of battery. So overall in this video I'll be mentioning as a K20, my Pro device, so that you'll get an idea. I know the battery backup might be different in the K20 because of the processor, which is 730, which is more battery efficient than the 855. So the Redmi K20 has a 4000 capacity and the Realme X has a 3765 mAh capacity. So overall the battery backup in the Realme X, I am getting around close to 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. But the ColorOS doesn't allow us to see the how much screen on time I'm getting in the Realme X. So whereas when compared with the Redmi K20, which has a 4000 mAh of battery, so we are expecting up to the 7 hours of screen on time, guys, because I have been using a lot of MI phones in my past couple of years. Even now I am using the MI Max 3 as well. So overall my experience with the battery backup in this MI phones are very good. So minimum I used to get 6 hours of screen on time, guys. So all the phones whatever I'm using for the couple of years has got a 4000 mAh of battery. So now let me compare with the. So overall, in terms of the battery, the Redmi K20 Pro is little bit slightly higher than the Realme X. So I can give 1 point to the Redmi K20. So now let's move to the cameras. So in the cameras, we can see your Realme X has the 2 lens and Redmi K20 Pro has 3 lenses with the wide angle support in that. So which has a image stabilization as well. So the 4K 60 FPS is present in the Pro model, and as you can see here, the Redmi K20 can record the slow motion videos up to 960 fps, so which is very clear when compared with the Realme X. So if you are a very fan of using the wide angle lens, then the Redmi K20 is the best option for you, no doubt at all. So I have done a in detail test regarding the comparison of the camera, so you can check the links in the description to watch that. So in terms of the build quality, as you can see here, Realme X is little bit taller than the Redmi K20. So the Realme X has got 6.5 inches, and whereas the Redmi K20 has got 6.39 inches. So you will feel little bit of heavy in the hand if you are holding the Redmi K20 device, and whereas the Realme X is little bit weight is evenly distributed throughout the phone because of the larger screen size, as you can see. So both has got the speaker grills in the bottom, and the headphone jack is present in the top side in the Redmi K20, and in the Realme X it is present in the bottom side. So even the bezels are thinner in the Redmi K20 when compared with the Realme X, as you can see clearly. So overall I like the earphones on the top instead of bottom, because it makes charging and the audio port side to side each other. So now let's move the display. So in the Redmi K20 you will get the option to increase the contrast ratio as well. So whereas in the Realme X there is no such option to increase the colors and saturation levels, as you can see here. So you can easily increase color saturation in the Redmi K20. So that's why you'll feel high saturated colors in this phone when compared with the Realme X. But if you're a fan of big displays, then the Realme X will be the best phone. And Redmi K20 Pro will support the 8K videos, so you can see the resolution as well. So I did a separate video on that. If you want, you can check the links in the description. So whereas Realme X also supports the 4K videos, which I have also done a video on that. If you want, you can check. But according to me, I like the big display, so that's why I like the Realme X phone. But if you are a fan of high saturated colors, then the Redmi K20 will be the best for you. So overall in terms of the display, it's your opinion depends on if you want a bigger screen or the small screen with eye saturated colors. In Redmi K20, you can use the third party launchers as well, whereas in the Realme X, you won't be able to use the third party launchers as a default launcher. So in terms of the fingerprint, both phones are pretty fast. There is no problem with that. So throughout my usage for a couple of weeks, I have found no issues regarding the fingerprint. So if you want, I also did a video on that comparison video between both the devices. You can check the links in the description. So overall, it depends upon the you which phone to choose, whether you want big phone or small display phone. And small things like the Redmi K20 Pro has got the notification LED as well on the top of the phone, and it can record the smooth slow motion videos, and it has got IDAC 3.5 mm as well, so that sound output will be very good in this phone. And always on display supports the notification for the all the applications in the phone, and whereas Realme X doesn't support the notification for the third party applications always on display. The Redmi K20 has the advantage of wide angle lens as we seen before, and in terms of the battery as well, it has got a little bit higher than the Realme X. That is the one thing. So till now I compared all the differences between both the phones. Now it's your turn to decide which phone to choose, either MI brand or the Realme brand. So thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.